Today, I will be making a railroad track in this container.
I had already previously built this cardboard base with the wooden popsicle sticks for the train tracks, and the train will sit right on top of it.
This train has train doors that open and shut, and my plan is to have it roll over this track for the scene.
Then I took out the base to make things look a little better. I set the base on my desk, and then I mixed up some paint to make it look really natural and realistic. I painted the tracks gray metal. And then after that, I painted the cardboard a dirt color. Then I set the base back into the container. Then after that, I added the dirt on the front and I added it on the back. When that was done, then I added moss to liven things up. And I placed in some trees and rocks to add some beauty to it. Now it looks pretty good and I just have to film the scene.